Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. I have a special one, guys. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us, and guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So today it's a blessed day. When I'm saying it's a blessed day, I mean today I'm going to buy sand for my borehole, and also to buy bricks, cement, steel bar, timber. It's a lot of things that are needed there. So actually, guys, sometimes I'm so confused, but guys, sorry for this to say I'm confused. You know, I'm alone at home, and I'm just here, there, right, left, center, to make sure that everything's going good. And technically, guys, thank you so much for showing me some love. I really appreciate. And right now I'm taking you toward my project for the borehole. So it's not, right now it's not secure enough. We need to put the borehole to be secure, and everything will be run smoothly. So right now, as I speak here, I'm going to show you the borehole, and then I'm going to look for the guy for the pickup. So right now there's no need to buy a lot of sand, and right now it's not season of the sand, so we're going maybe to collect a little bit, and then you know, per pickup will go $20. So that's the money. I think $20 to $25 per pickup. So probably let's go and show you how the day goes right there. In case you're new here and you doesn't know what I mean, I have the project here. I have several projects. First toilet I finish up, and then I went to the second project of making bricks, but our deal failed. So right now I have the third project. I dig the borehole. By God's grace, we get water. The fourth project, which is the last one, is to build my mom's dream house. But right now, I'm just keep collecting material step by step, slowly by slowly, no pressure at all. So thank you so much, Mom, for supporting me on that project of the borehole. Thank you a million. May God bless you, and wherever you take it, may God add double for that you're supporting me. So guys, I was showing you these blocks, but one of my fan advised me, "Hello baby, look for the polythene paper or chandarua you can cover on top. When I get money I will buy." And it's so expensive. It's 5,000, the bigger one, which can cover these blocks here, you know. And then you might not happen at night. People will maybe steal that polythene paper because it's outside. And then also we have the stones right there for my mom's dream house. You know, me, I'm the guy who, when I get the money, I manage on building and construction, because I know where I came from. So I'll never joke with money. So these are the stones that we have here, and as soon I want to add two tippers here, so they can complete the house on the other side. So let me go show my borehole, which tomorrow very in the morning we're gonna start working on it, because I went there, so I already have the quotation, everything that I needed: steel bar, wire mesh, binding wire. Oh man, it's a lot and a lot. Wow. So after that, I'm going to see the guy who will deliver the sand here. So right now, no tippers, guys, so we'll see the pickup later. So this is the bike. Actually, this is for my friend or my neighbor on the other side. He doing for the border, picking down of the motorbikes. So that's my baby right there. So I'm gonna show you the borehole right now. Right now, guys. This is how my village looks like. So today it's a hard day to me, and I said I mean. Wow. So this is the borehole which I'm going to work for. You see right here. By tomorrow morning, you will see the guy here, or my mason, who built my toilet right there. So this is another project right here. And technically, guys, thank you so much. We have a nice toilet, or a beautiful toilet, in my village where I came from. And sometimes people try to embarrass me because of my toilet, of what I'm doing, or they feel jealous because of what I'm doing. But for me, no time for those people. around my village here. No time at all. So right here, look, the same person who built my toilet from scratch up the way it is the same person who go to build my borehole. By tomorrow morning, you will see him. If you're watching my videos every day since I started this project in the month of June last year, June to July, you'll see that mason. So by tomorrow, you wanna work there. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to look for the guy of the pickup, guys. Guys, right now I'm going to look for the sand for my borehole. So this is the pickup. So there's no need to buy a tipper. Pickup is enough. Uliweka nini humu mzee? Ni oil? Ni oil?
Kuna miti nilibeba mvua ikafanya nini kanyesha.
Haya. Nitakaa juu, haina shida. Kaa
hapo wewe muende na yeye. Ha?
Ungo yake ni gani?
Hiyo kubwa nimekupa. Hii haina nini?
So I'm going to take my son here for my construction of the borehole. Tomorrow you will see the driver, guys. No, not the driver, my mason. Oroki. Etana maguta bro. Tunaenda. Sasa manza na unintana shida. Kana bageni uniwambe tena ndauli. Ndio tena ndauli. Alino mwali tangra. Okay, nera ichore. Oh guys, let me get to the pickup. Ndaura yusikira kanko hemia. Wataikara. Tekara wa nyuma.
Sasa tena unakaa na mdosi. Unachoma msema
tajiri na mchikazi yake tatu.
Sasa unataka kukaa tena na mdosi.
So it's time to go, guys. You know it's so late, but I'm trying to manage. Wow. Heading straight. That's a tip. So that's how I maneuver around, guys, you know. And I remember big projects coming. No pressure at all. For sure. Kama kai kunyora. Ayasikira habomia. Another guy right here. Say hello. Wow, he need a job. So I told him, use it. When we reach out home, you upload. And then I'll pay you. We're good. And I'm back in speed. But we know what I get some.
No, I think it's steady.
Hey. Okay, no, yeah, I see that. Hopefully, yeah. Heading straight, guys. Up to Gatundu, River Gatundu. Going to buy sand and then see what's next.
Mana para parte ko kakor.
Tako hanchu no kay para. So kinene harak mdogo ndako kuma.
Tara ko kuma ko para ko.
Kamaga nigisima. Ati kiru mseze gatundu. Kama hamene economy anani. Wintana tawo. Ko bare ni kuma hanguli tsimi. Wow. So today guys is a hard day on my side because since morning I was lazy. So right now going to chase the sun, heading straight to the school right here. Where are you going?
Gari no break shop. Ano na ako attack ka mo ko. Ay haro na to okay.
Let's go guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. That's the best way you can support the Bebe Official. Yeah. This perimeter was a nice one. Yeah. Let's go. Maya kari buruna ngusha utere kuraha.
Alafu ichikagi uchafu sana.
Kama kamiane. Buru. Guys, we keep heading straight. Kini kumaragi dia. Kadang kita kau sudah beli air.
Ini ada kali datang dia.
Ni ham. Ni ana ni ro.
Ni punya cor nomor rumah baru gitu. Na cheze ye. Rumah baru gitu baru rakam hangam polisi. Enggak sekali aku rakam.
Tamanjiro.
Nah, hajur apa haka ciru mugi bora.
Rumah usah mono rogi.
Muroma ono rogi.
Mono
kagati. Na kufata kagati. Asa. Akora. Yani gi penate mere punanga gusu. Kini kesen tira gacha kabisa chambare. Kadi hakke boga na pe har mutali rawatan sene rawu mucha. Mucha. Ano na tanga sere gari rigara gi gure bakka bere chakiro. People are really farmer here guys. We go to grazing right there. Ang ni bibigyan na gitu do. Tara imukya.
Ang girus chata na sabina.
Sabi na tan. Bukan ko gere ore muere.
Bera na ni droche na yo ni onkore bera. Down da kimbiri mchondra bachiri mimi. Okay. Ano ba rin ako kasi ke. Pati foto tu ko ra haro. Wow. So let's see the sun. Look at the second one. Stuck and bad right. Aye. These one are not okay, guys. There once
Okay,
Aya, tui. Right now I'm just over here. That one I'm not okay. We're heading straight. So guys, this River Gatundu within here, it serves water to the community. You can see on the other side. Wow. So I'm just over with my brother. I need a job. Give him the job. All right. So I get okay. So I'm gonna carry any tukutuk. Yeah. Okay. Oh my God. We keep going. That's River Gatundu. You know, big tank. Let's see whether we can get what we want. We need sand, but I probably let's see. No game at all. Toka atire na eno kono nema haragole.
Sasa ko tahay.
Tatira na yun ano mo sa siguro mo. Basta go hay. Siguro har. So guys, imagine we tried to look for the sun, we didn't get here. It's because people didn't want money. Oh my God. This is another part of the village. So guys, I'm telling you, it's hard day to me, and it depends when did you going to get this video. Let's go. Kuna mchanga huko? Mchanga. Hey. Isa ka kira kimeta ba arso masense?
Tara.
Hey.
Ako ta. Adigo ko ta ako. Ay, ay. Ako na mchanga. Mchanga.
Ba KDF.
Habari wanapo kumetokea pale basi mwingine kuna mchanga hapo kwa wetu walifungia kwa fence chini.
Guys, no sand. This tricky situation.
Raiku ni kwa
Wow. So we need to go back. Songa. Hey. Ni amta kera bana, amtoi mchang. Just enjoy. At the same time, it's a hard day to me. We didn't get sun. Let's go. Let's go and see. I see right there the fish pond. 2 of them on other side. After this land on the next. Whoa, indigenous trees. People have already prepared the land, so it's time. It's time to plant. Planting season. People don't need money at all. Pardon, guys. I was going around looking for the sun. Back forward. Is this a restaurant or kibandas cry here? You didn't understand. Oh my god. There's another tricky station here. Wow guys, so let me show you where they harvest sand. Right here. I'm telling you, from the river, you know. So for example, they harvest maybe inside from here, putting here, you see, for example, right here. And it's a clean water, I'm telling you, man. Oh. According to our culture, you wash your face. Phew. And then it's going up to down here. Woo. Sacho isabe muruwe mga nag Ani mahara ano rago. You need to wash. I give this guy a job, you see guys. This is according to our culture. We do it like that way. So aya hantu katanya bahara mkichimba inye motore mo
Chisimi.
Chimbao. Cement I'm going to take from Border Town. And for my premiere again, you get these videos so late because today it's my hard day. And this is traditional shoes. You see these shoes? It's meant from tires for the lorries or any vehicle. Guru. Okay. Stay. Mga nagawa na maru. So guys. Hey. That's a bridge right there. I'm telling you, man. Oh. How would stimulate? Oh man, it's time to go back. So I have a lot of things to do. You know, when I'm passing at Nebuhanse, I'll take timber, 4 pieces. I'll put inside on the vehicle as we go. Oh my god. Whew. So guys, we're heading home.
karose.
Kaho wako boy help.
Na vena ako boy. Kalisa
Wow.
san.
So the mom who said for us the son came from here. Wow. Let's go and see, guys. Merenya bahara. Kimi bawe then chembali beach.
Magana na ako.
Bencho na nachopenda kuhusu.
Yatana mse.
Ai kiamu. Otara.
Niko yung kuimukane mayane na tribu mbi. Tribu ya mwisho ni ongucha na maseni.
Okay, let's go.
Bantu barante biganshinde.
Shinde?
Biganshinde no ya NSSF kama UNICEF eno. Barante biganto meshiringi 1150. Ikakamti yangu iwaki vetted bantu me.
Guys, right now I want to take the timber here, and then this is my sand for my borehole. Iga? Iga chiho. Ngare hizo. Buyore.
Chino kutunasa mo.
Say hello. Chigisima.
Chiho kutuna sasa chino kutuna kose. Eno ne 81.
Nirenga ku 81.
35
Takamba mbe chimba unye nirenga.
Oh, chimba unye kumaanisha.
Eh.
Inatuma nirenga chate. Futi 10.
Eh.
Futi 40 mara 5. Ikuna 400.
Na ichinde chini.
61. 61.
Eno ne 61.
880.
Temke chi.
Chino.
880. So ichikane icho. Ha no ndachikwetera mali. Nikopenda uchiga. Tiapa inacho one way na huyu ndachi nitende muke ukikwenda kurudi. Ai. Naambe uko tunang'ang'ana tu. Oh my god. Like something crazy. Tebu kero nyanda.
Tarokeram.
Tora buye mbu. Urekewe kitendo kero rahira.
Yego.
Also have some small groceries. Onions, tomatoes, lemon, also the eggs here. We need 4 pieces. We need 4 pieces. Icho? Sambiri. Mboke. Mtana wane, nemba angire.
Simiti na chi.
Simiti mboda mkuya. Ya moko falori.
Kaneka.
Sawa. Okay guys, we keep going home, and me I want to show you step by step, you know, nothing to be black. After this I'm heading to Border Town. I'm going to buy cement, steel bar, wire mesh, man, a lot. So today I start with this one. Yeah, it's an old version pickup. something new here. Guru kai kama boss, yeah. So we have timber here, guys, and that's how my intro starts. After these videos, I'm heading to Border Town. I'm going to buy cement, 3 bags. So, matafari. Alright, guys, we keep going home. So after this, I'm going to Border Town. So to pick 3 bags of cement, wire mesh, and also steel bar. We keep moving on. As a pickup ahead of me is a pickup. Pickup. Kids are coming from school, I'm telling you. See, guys. Going slow. You see, guys, how I was hustling here and there, but the tuk-tuk, it will carry bricks, I mean. Guys, welcome home. You know, I'm telling you guys, when the moment you buy a land like this, the road is passable. Let's see where they can put that sand. Probably by tomorrow. Because I'm back home right now. It's something crazy, but anyway, we flow the vibe to the end. This is our cow. Say hello. Hi. That's my mama. Go hard on my dream. Not on my dream, go hard on my stuff that I'm doing here. Me, I comment on my moms because let's see. Wow. Era het tawi nari. Hi.
Tora masaya se hare.
Ma kunguni har. Tora kunguni har. Tabeta. Ano atore han. Tora na hokura manchim boretai.
Ana hata hi.
Kamaru hai. After this, guys, I'm going to border town, pick cement, steel, but oh my god, even I didn't forget. I didn't remember when I eat my last supper and lunch. The church. The church. And let's see how the car is coming. So there's no need to pour here. Guru. It's coming. It means in the future when I have the car, it will pass. On the good in gonna reverse. It's by God's grace. Dapat everyone that is him. It's him. Eu tá churinge ho. Hai bondere. Never try. Labdugi nyonge haki. Hey. Wow. So they need to go back to reverse. I'm telling you. Zunguke bafuni. Okay. And my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Right now, how do you feel? Najisikia hapo?
Good.
Kopo umepona? Right now, guys, my sister, she's okay. Wow. Super amazing. Oh! You know, askiro mai. Hey!
Sawa kwa.
Haya. Ako rango ger.
Ano manchika tagu hire.
Kata aku hira hai mbuya go. Kana yusima hapta harba chipa koro. Oni kena man. Maga chino nchira acha chise.
Sukara.
Kulibi kisim. Kikorui.
Mangano ko. Chino choni.
Yeah, guys, tomorrow I'm going to work on my bow variety. I'm going to end up on the mohor. Come on, can.
Kana kayo ni kuhikan. Kan. Nahare yung 49.
So nakapani chinondo kahiki gorhano. Chinondo chekim bache para to kerhano. Rahe tara kim kuya ha.
Kanyi chinondo ne toko chinchira ngai. Chinondo ni chimbao ngo kulangana.
Hey. So guys, but I want right now. So it's because of time. You'll see me on tuk-tuk, quick and fast, buying bricks. This is my spade here. Hey, come on.
Nasi kwenye ukulina kona tunavi. Nasi kera hano.
Teka kirwa kena.
Muro tusase hano kusuko usiki. Kina tema hanga kwa sikira.
Bakede eh.
Kera hasa masaya kita. Eh.
Terusnya kan.
What ambe hai?
Wow. Sky how very nice.
Ai dora hanya no.
Hey, uncle me check here high.
Yo.
I'm telling you guys, it's by God's grace, and mom, thank you so much. May God bless you. Right now we have timber, and my mason giving more quotation, so I need to follow my mason quotation. Okay, you good?
I'm fine.
Right now you are smiling, so you are quick to cover. So probably guys, stay tuned. Guys, the work is going on right now as I speak. So this is the sand right here, and we bought this one pickup, goes to $20. I'm telling you. Nigatui.
Hey.
No, how need to go na
Cash.
I need. Introduce yourself, bro.
Hello guys. Welcome and welcome back to Hello Baby official YouTube channel. So guys, we have come here to check on out how Hello Baby is carrying the sand.
Yeah, that's the sand for my borehole.
My borehole.
Okay, I'm coming. So guys, stay tuned. So it's time to go.
Chino tora nyumba ta chichi.
Oh my god, I'm going to taro gora diga. Egari no pa.
Una yoko na miambira msini hayu.
Nesi nyumba.
Iremo na chai. Tafika miambira msini. Aya. Tamo hani.
Okay.
Hey.
Baka kumango tere gari wobo. Kone no ni tiba ne he enka.
Kugenduliti.
Mungu bawa tentara mangan. Era ya tumbo. Aya.
Ay. Chako correct.
Kwani no te wara amorepe.
Hey.
Wao na dini. Hiyo tumefanya na watu wa gari tunaelewa.
Tumeambira 50 wakikona miambira 50.
Kanona mianga pa muha.
Tumiatara 50.
Metana msi.
Eh.
Kanona no tore sasa. Kanona ambero ko mohiri kan.
Tamarepa. Kani no gachuru skiru mwe. Mia, rega mbuyari ni. Alini asikire. Ayo herisapo semia ngapi mukenge amaru.
Ora. Kia mole moje.
Pero Tony pigi. Okay guys, let's go. Pon Chacha. First thing we passed to David Jr. He want to send me. Sasa kenorakore. Taturu bako Manchester hara. Onganya homotebi akwe miskwerenga.
Tatu na nondo moja.
Nondo moja di 12. Akwene waya mesh. Asikupira be waya mesh. Na binding waya kilo moja.
Kwani wahi ukuye?
Takwambia tatoto David. So you're passing to David Jr. and then going to Border Town. Let's go. Oh guys, so right now I'm heading to Border Town. I'm going to buy cement and also some stuff that are needed. So let's go and see. Let's go and see. Let's go and see, guys. It is what it is. It is what it is. After the river dance, and then you will see me on tuk-tuk buying bricks. It's a lots of things that I'm supposed to do, but because of time, man. I see the school bus from further end, and it's painted in yellow in color. Look at that. That's a school bus. Guys, but guys, sometimes sorry I forget to wear the helmet because you know I was working hard here and there. Everything's hello baby around here and there. But anyway, all in well, let's go. Old version. Oh my god. Oh. That's a bounce right there. That's my Roman Catholic Church over there. Okay. Heading straight. Kids are enjoying. Oh, look at that view on the other side. Down right there. Super green. I can't complain at all. Super green. Super green. With my bike right here. Oh my god. Tutayam. Where to end ba? Mura tuwezi ongelea hapa mura tuende. Karota kauzi. Wana unaona hii ni rami. This is a truck right here. Wow. Nani? Oi. Tá, tu era maguto o número. These old trucks that are parking here need something. It need to pick maybe some things from here to the other side. This is Border Town for you. Let's go. This is Border Town vibe. Hey, today people are congested everywhere. But all anyway, let's go. This is Border Town vibe, man. I'm telling you. Wow. Everywhere it's business. Everywhere. You have Johiri Energy right there. Keep moving on. Hey, town goats. One day that pickup will bring my cement. Hey. Anyway guys, I'm almost there. Let's go. Yeah. Tahu mo mai mara tu ni mai hembi pinton. Ati ang kau ada mana? Kau ngapain usik? Tahu mo mahuj? Eh. Tahu mo mahuj? Namo kanambo. Hey, look this kind of cement. Hapa. Haya, simiti tatu. Kuna binding, mnapima binding wire. Kilo moja. Wire mesh, ile bei reja. Chapu kidogo. Ni za kisima. Okay. Haya. Amora. Mungu maji santo. Amakuta. Mafuta yangu mimi, wewe tumia mafuta yangu, lakini ndio nitakata. Okay. So I'm just over here. That's one. Tiangu ama sentiga. Hizi zinaenda. Oh, inaenda. Tiangu ama sentiga umri wewe. Patran. Plus mbaki deni yawe. Nyoma. Ni renga. Kwanza nafaa nikupe mimi umekula muda wangu. Ora heto. Hii ni ya kwangu. Kwani chiro ni renga chirenge. Hiyo ni 350. Wana masiringi hiyo ni huku hii. Kwani 350 hapa gani? 250. Mbona jana mampa 350. Sawa wewe naenda muombe nimekula kwako. Ni woteta muhatu. Ano nikubulika urinurize niko na ngapi? Ni woteta muombe 350 kumwambia mpe. Sasa 350. Sasa ungunye bega. Kwebego. Ntara kwevera mara 50 ya nini? That's heavy bulk. Hey. I'm seeing yake. Hivi ujui na pikipiki inaweza funga. Nisere tango rusongororone kwanza. Uone kwa. Mungu moja eh. Nataka mrono mbovu. Watano hivi. These are heavy. Why am I here? Hey. So guys, as you watch these videos, after nimeleta tofali nyumbani, I'm telling the guy after doing it. Wow guys, ahead of me, that's my material right there, guys. I'm telling you. Okay. Right here. That's that one. Woo. Guys, subscribe. I'm outside, so from Border Town, take the material. Right here. Kids are coming from school. That's a shit right there. So I keep moving, man. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Hey. There's a truck right there. Oh. Heading straight up to home. Let me show you one more, guys. Okay, guys. That's material from my house, and I went through since morning. Even I haven't taken anything on my stomach, but all in well, me, I'm just to go, ready to go. Hey. Hey. Ha, ha. Keep moving on. I'm telling you guys, at this moment, I'm so hungry, to be honest. So the only thing remaining is for the going to pay bricks, the guy with the tuk-tuk, and then that's my material. They're cutting tax here, this guy. See them here. Let's go. So guys, we left the tarmac road and the guy is coming with the material at the back. So let's go, guys. Oh guys, so let me show you the material which I delivered, and then last lap it's bricks. Mama, say hello. Muita hogo.
Hello, at school.
You good, ma'am?
You good?
I'm saying, how are you, ma'am?
I am fine.
You're fine? Okay. Eh? Wano? Asonga haram. Raya manchi hogari. Kasongo.
Kasongo, you are controlling me atatu kasongo.
Ah, yeah, that to check.
Oh, muraga, vinto na pila ni hito. Nani kiro kere tabu tira lagi.
Okay, bawaan ni bibiro mo sa kaya nga ni bibiro. There.
Bibiro naman kumukira maya na kere fukumi. Garu kira maha garu.
Sorry, I got them and bistani.
Ire maya mburi kata kubeba.
Wow, so did the wire mesh and also the 12. They're most expensive one. I'm telling you. I'm going to Tanzania chimu. Jumbo.
Tanzania.
Hi. How get
Jumbo.
I don't care. As long as it's a steel bar. It's the 12. The Kenyan konyo ya andikiro the 12, eh? Mara. I know they're correct, guys.
Bora kazi ende tuma. This is the 10 yako.
That's the 12. Yes. This is a wire mesh. Kanyandiga hanopavo he. 3 bags of cement. Each costs 50 kg. And 1 bag goes to 10 USD. That's 950, 930 other people selling. So almost to 10 USD. Me, Mama, want to say thank you so much for the love and support. And Mom, thank you so much for supporting my borehole. And may God bless you abundant. And for my silent subscriber, thank you so much. So, Chacha, how do you see? You take?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You take? Inside.
Take, eh?
Hey,
Ah, yeah.
I take inside. Hey, this is money.
Okay, I can give you $50. Take inside. So let me arrange. Let me ask my mama first. Come. We see whether we can put those bags. So by tomorrow it's building. Hey, Bruno. Okay, that's my dog right there. So Chacha, sorry guys, inside is somehow dark. Chacha, you wanna put inside here? Kuja tu na kuna gumba ukalisha hapa.
Yeah.
Here we go. You put. This is my bicycle right here. It's dark here, guys. Don't mind. So how I'm going to do, guys?
This is a visitor.
No. Stop it, Bruno. Nera korome. Acha korome. Because I'm telling you, Bruno, it's not joking around. Okay, it's time to deliver, guys. So stay tuned. So I got the bricks right here, and I'm going to buy 200 of them. So by tomorrow morning, you'll see them at home. Because of time, right now it's too late, and the tuk-tuk's right here. Well, guys, so right now I'm heading to the Venus construction. So it's so late, but let's see, guys. You know, I'm outside with my baby like that. That's how we go. Our car is grazing, like chilling there. Let's go and see, guys, how our day goes, you know. And probably it's by God's grace. Oh. Wow, guys, I'm going to charge my power bank at Nyabohanse, and then I boom. Okay, let's go. Oh, that was crazy, Lord. Imagine, guys, all the way from my home, going to charge my power bank at Nyabohanse. Wow, I'm fully outside. Chasing my dream, right, left, center, to make sure my dream go through. That's cassava plantation right there. People are working, see. But all anyway, let's go. Wow, subscribe to my channel, guys. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And me, I want to show you adventure a little bit. It's right there, guys. So let me see whether I can get my friend right here. And me, most of the time I charge my power bank here. Let's see. It's by God's grace, man. I'm telling you, Babu. This is a ton, man. When somebody have a motorbike, ton of something else. Babu tiboto hado. And I don't charge a power bank. Guys, I normally come to charge my power bank here, but no one is here. They have been locked. There's a small rounder here. All in well, let's see, guys, how our day goes. You grab a bab. Eh. That's my power bank, guys. I have charge. Just right here. Oh, guys. Me, all my day, I spend here charging my power bank on his son. Beste? Kada de hotor. Pana beste tarahur. Wada hiri kitana. Montu tarebuk.
Ngwe mikihan. Bo no kanyo wana no patu ka dabar kahara. Bamanya ba wo ke koromo.
So I need to charge here.
Banyana ba koromo so koro. Wan hano. To ka churo monto ro won sara ho.
That's my power bank. Okay.
Hano ne man tatama.
Not bad. Good.
No. Ro chate wan se kira kare. Eno to eno ana no. Haro ko makra mantara so ke brahanjiri.
Ranchiri. Quanto da hade?
Nandora ko hano.
Tá bem bukiri besta bogata chako. Eta kachara kinego.
No, hane bona kira kuma.
Oh, guys. So because most of the time stay went out, guys. Let's go. Tomorrow, I'm going to this sugar cane right here. This sugar cane, right, brown one. Wow, we have another one right here. There's sugar cane. We have papaya. We have green sugar cane. Man, I love sugar cane, but because right now I have artificial teeth, guys. I don't want to eat hard stuff. This is a small garden here. Yeah, it has a beautiful flower garden. Look at this. Look at these trees. Yeah, guys, let me go and promote him with bread. You know, so all my time, man, I spend charging my power bank here because they have electricity, guys. So sometimes I feel shameless a little bit because charging for free. And I said, you know what? Let me buy for him. Buy for him bread. That is. Hey. Stay. Guys, subscribe to my channel. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. I'm telling you. I think even the previous day I was charging my power bank here. Only 3 days, 2 days, my power bank went off. Babu. Aba bagatu chago takuda. Kore yeto kichi. Cheki. Tika bagana kawa. Guys, I left my bag here. Tika bagana kawa. Hai. Guys, look that house. Oh, nice gate. How could I hang him? I'm going to go hang that to keep on now. So, can I buy?
Ara ibir kira ngo kanon.
Tabahodi.
Chale.
Let's buy for him bread. Sibu. Yarabaku sibirat. Oya. Una mikate gani?
Hii hapa.
Hauna ingine? Na hiyo manazu pakiti shingapi?
120.
Mpe. Baada sibiagare.
Sawa.
Usindano mkate watu no gambi.
Kono ko?
Nani? 120.
Tanga kan. Ayo ngo at least. Gutu anabi.
Tena unagawa?
Sikugawa, unajua hayo nilikuwa nimeongezea mengine ndani sasa ndio.
Kwa nini inakuwa ngapi packet?
Packet ndio hii 120 ndio maana nilikuwa nataka.
Full packet.
Kanu nyoro wenge ige koru orute pakasta. Garabe jake kwa pele nyoro wenge.
Aya. Ndo hizi. 120. Sio kama 20 ya mabaki. Mana rambo kile.
Nyori kana mboro. Hapana pa ige.
Iga. Bora nsikia. Mpe sukari ya 20 na majani 10. Yuko ngapi? 50. Nipe 50. Tigo.
Wewe jamsi chono kangai.
Cheki. Ndangu kwa sukari na majani.
Ngore credit.
Sawa, mimi nipe 50. Hiyo change ya juu mpatie.
Nunue credit.
Kama wale dichahe sawa. Chaba santi buchaji bore pa baki. Tudiro.
Bado wewe serious? Kuna haja.
Ndio kumbe baki. Hata wapi credit?
Oh.
Kwa nini ngoja? This kangumu. Aya asante. Aya mi hata benyo morale. Sika wan kuja nile kado moro itato morara manto. Dabaru.
Bwana nini mkumu na racha.
Aya ba. Aya. Let's go, guys. Yes. That's how we maneuver around with my bike. This is right here where my brother and sister lands. We've been here. We keep moving, man. We keep moving. And guys, let me tell you one thing. Love's for free. Oh my god. Let's go. Love's for free. And by tomorrow, I want to put more effort working on my borehole like crazy. So technically, I'm heading to the Junior construction. I'm going to see how the work goes, you know. This is Nyabuhanse village to the world. We have so many rentals like this one here. That's how people make money. So I'm okay. Yeah. Zamba hello. Mbona hapo? Struggling.
Yeah.
Sharpening knife.
Yeah.
Okay, Musani.
I'm going to Maber.
Yeah. Na maguru. Akili hai. Kaya tuma ho Musani. Kaya tuma kama Musani aho. Narako hai. This is like KK right here. Let's move on, guys. I'm telling you, this is Nyabuhanse. That's how it looks like. Wow, super amazing. A day like this is super amazing. super amazing. Let's go and see. Hello guys. Okay, oh my god. Welcome on today's vlog, guys. Right now I think piping is going on. You can see for the piping right here. We have pipes also here. Oh, it's a lot. Leo kwani plumbing inaendelea?
Kuna pipe zingine hizo kubwa.
Oh, na macho. Okay, fresh as engineer, guys. Every day when I come here, new things, new changes. Hey, hey, this rings. Babu, mambo yanasonga.
Kwa hapa.
Hey,
Nasonga tu mdogo.
mdogo. Hey, hey, accurate, guys. Hey, hey. Hey. Here you must do in mathematic way. Look. Hey. Hey, hey. Aya babu, chapa kazi. Wow. Devi. Vipi? Bantu bafanya chai. Ah, nauliza kwanza bosi wenu. Say hello.
Hello guys, greetings.
Huh? Ngoma. Okay guys, this is the beginner here. So just over here. Pull up. How was everything over here?
Everything is fine, we're just building.
Yes.
Yeah.
So did your workers going to breakfast? I want to spoil them breakfast.
No, still in the morning.
Okay.
Still in the morning.
So maybe they can give me how many number and then I give you money and then after that, after work you spoil them breakfast.
Yes.
They go come and Tiganicha Anara. Tiangu child serious. Tangu yambo ngirisabu. Kwamboka mwembere ngamuri. Atakora kwanse guys. Oh guys. I need to spoil again the breakfast. Hey.
Take care.
Arskirioba.
Yes.
Say hello.
Hello. Hi guys.
You good?
This is King Charles. Kirioba 254.
Okay, today I want to count people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Times 5, 350. Moro ni shilingi 350 moro. Hey. Wow, work is going on. Fanya kazi, sasa ni asubuhi. Pesa nitahanda kwa bosi wenu, kwa bosi. Work is going on here, super amazing.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Thank you, Hello Baby Official, for introducing me to your YouTube channel. Right now it is quite morning that you are still going on. I'm just doing final touches. So you can see these ones, they were extending.
Okay.
So I'm trying to level them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey. Guys, here must walk careful too. You know, it's quite early morning. Yeah? Kwani mwita leo hakuja? Ndahe bosi. Sibebi nitampa afu mkunywe chai. See guys right here. Hey, strong man. No joke. I'm telling you guys, buildings not joke guys. Woo. You spend a lot. Woo. You have timber here. Oh my god.
So we are trying to fill here. So it has to wind up with the timber work.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
So how do you see the work so far?
Hey, your work is very, very amazing.
Okay.
Super amazing.
We are just right here.
And very accurate.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, may I recognize your work. Super amazing. Oh guys, let me take you. Yeah? What? Ushabandwa. Sasa ndivyo jaye kuja hapa.
By the time we finish here, tunarudi hapo pande.
Na mtaikorogea?
Sawa, hiyo sasa itakoroga pamoja na slab.
Oh, hey. I'm working here, guys. Ooh. See, guys, this pipe for the washroom and toilet. Wow. So, guys, we shall stay near here, and me, I want to handle money for one of the people here for the breakfast. Wow. Serious? Guys, it's time to spoil the workers here. 200 minutes chai. Ndio mnywe chai. Busara nampa. Ndama hakuletea.
Wacha nikuletee basi.
Today, sini hapa wakunywa chai. Mwingine anakunywa busara.
Hata si yakukaa Dickson.
Nani mwingine amebaki? Mlikuwa 7. Kwamboka.
7-5.
Kwamboka wale wengine nimewapatia hela. Kwamboka. Nitie kwamboka. Guys, I need to spoil them. Right now here. Mama kuna chai?
We are walking straight to the hotel.
Nyewe kunywa ni chai.
Fungulia video.
Hii unajua hii ni whisky, gichure. Tadi mimi baba. Hiyo ni whisky.
Kuna maharagwe. Kanamba tande kuna maharagwe.
Babu. Upewe chai. Unaona bantu balichana na bali chai. Oh, acha tuone kwamboka. Okay. Kwamboka.
Kunywa chai.
Njoo unywe chai.
Hawa ni wao kuongea.
Gani?
Hawa wanaogopa kuongea.
Kila mtu anajua kutuna. There's somebody missing, guys. I want to spoil them within here. His name is Kwamboka. Let me check him first. Uwe, Kwamboka. We got there. Wow, me, I'm just full with vibe. For him, need money. Guys, Kwamboka didn't like.
I like this one.
You didn't like tea?
I like it all, but I have no money.
So I take you. You decide you don't want to take breakfast. May I give you money?
Money.
Tamuhambe chino.
Muheri wa chino.
Okay. So you decide to take money, no food.
Food I will eat.
Si
Food.
nimekupa hela
Food.
for food.
Yes.
Okay, keep it.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Kwamboka didn't like to eat food at this morning. He need to take money. Ndo hizi? Man, today I spoiled the business people's workers. Alikuwa amebaki na hizi. Umeshiba?
Yeah. As you see.
You're full right now?
Yeah.
Yes, I feel so happy. Guys, let me tell you one thing. I work on building and construction as a handman. I know how tough it is. I am. Guys, I'm sitting here with my brother's house. Say hello.
Oh, thank you so much. Hello, baby. Hello, everyone. Thank you for welcoming me in your channel. Yeah.
Yes.
So thank you also for the visit.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's only what I can say. And finally, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and check Musimo Joel. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, because of the power to my home and everything, I came to see my videos on my friend right here. So on today's videos, I'm ending here. I went to the guy, like one of our village dad. I found the bricks. So by tomorrow morning, we'll be alive at my site. So that's me, guys. That's my channel right there. Hello Baby Official. Look. See how I was moving, man. Just a minute, you see my face. No problem, you see? That's me. And then we take a cup of cafe. It's coffee?
Coffee.
Oh,
Yeah.
coffee.
With some
bread.
White bread. Yeah.
Wow. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video. By tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.